Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Learn Code for You. So in today's video, we are gonna see use of JavaScript head versus body. So in this video, we are gonna cover the JavaScript use in the head tag versus body tag. So JavaScript in head tag. If we are adding the script tag of JavaScript in the head tag, this will run before the HTML elements are loaded in the page. And if the script element which is trying to use any element of the HTML, if I am saying in the simple words, which having any ID or class, so that will be not able to fetch the value of that or change the value of that if we are using that in the head tag. To make this work, we must delay our script tag. So basically, if we are using anything in the script, we must need to add something, some delay in that to use the DOM, or you can say HTML elements. So use case only we can use this one when we need to load the JavaScript earlier, and this is will use mostly in the setting up of configurations and analytics part, or use differ. Yes, we can run the DOM manipulation part also in the head tag, but for that, if we are using an external file, then we need to add the differ keyword in that. So I will show you that in the upcoming part of this video. So this is an example of use of JavaScript in the head tag. So here we are adding a one condition which is regarding the local storage. Local storage is a feature of the JavaScript which we are using in the upcoming tutorials. So for currently you will only see that if this feature is not present in your browser. So this will give you an response like your browser supports local storage if it is present, and if it is not present, it will redirect you to the unsupported.html page. So basically local storage is not present in the old browsers. So if we are using this in the old browser, you can see the output of that. And now see the JavaScript in body. By placing JavaScript at the end of the body, you ensure that all the elements have loaded before the JavaScript runs. So basically, if we are placing the JavaScript script tag at the before the ending of the body tag, then this will load the DOM elements perfectly. And this is the most common and beginner friendly approach. So yes, this is the most common approach. Mostly developers are using this one. So you can also use this one, and I have also recommend you to use this one. And the use case of this one, when we are using script interacts with page elements like buttons, forms, paragraphs, and does not need to load earlier. So in that case, we can use JavaScript in the body. So this is an code in which we are using the body tag. Like here, basically we are giving the p tag one ID, and with the use of that ID, we are changing its inner text with the hello from body. So we will see this example practically, and we will also see this with the head tag also. So let's get started. So firstly, let's create a file of HTML. So I will create head versus body dot HTML. So let's create a simple HTML code here. And firstly, let's create p tag. This is a paragraph. So let's give this paragraph an ID demo. If you're using CSS, you will know that like what is ID and classes. So I am thinking that you have the knowledge of this one. So I will add a script tag here. And I'm going to change the value of this by get using the get element by ID. So this is used for changing the element's value by targeting its ID. So I will add here the demo, which is the p tags ID. So I will change its inner text. So I will add here load from body. So let's open this file with the live server. So yes, you can see here the load from body. And if I am opening the inspect here, there is no issue currently. So let's see same this example and using this script tag in the head. So I will just cut from here and add the this one in the head part. So let's see what is we will get. So this will give us an error like cannot set property of null setting inner dot x inner text. So basically it unable to find this element demo. So to use this one, we need to add some delay, which will I will show you in the upcoming videos how to use any delay and other things. So for right now, if I want to use this part in the head tag, so firstly let's create a separate JS file. So I will create a head versus body .js. So I will just paste here this part. And now if I are adding the src here, head versus body.js. So what do you think? This will run or not? So this is not running because again we are just separating the file, but we are using the JavaScript in the head tag. So to use the JavaScript in the head tag, we need to add one keyword called differ. This is basically used for to run the HTML element, and parallelly we can downloading the JavaScript, and this will run the JavaScript only after the HTML completes its parsing. So I will save this one. Now you can see there is no console error regarding this. So also we have able to see the text change load from body. So if I am again removing this one, this is in paragraph. So text will also not change if we are not using the differ here. If we are using this part in the body, then what do you think? We need to use a differ here. So if we are using this part in the body tag, we doesn't need to use a differ keyword. Differ is only used in the head tag if you want to use the script in the head. So please make sure to not use the differ here, because if we are using, there is no harm in that also. But this keyword is not very useful here. So please make sure to use the differ in the head tag only. So yeah, that is it for the today's video. So please like and share this video if you feel this is useful, and please subscribe the channel for more such tutorials. So I will be meet you in the next video. So till then, bye.